శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. ఇన్ ది సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ రీడింగ్ ఆధ్యాత్మ రామాయణం, as last week we reached to the end of third sarga of Yuddhakanda in Adhyatma Ramayanam. In this week we will try to cover three sargas of sarga 4, 5 and 6. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. సేతుమారభమాణస్తు తత్ర రామేశ్వరం శివం సంస్థాప్య పూజయత్యాహ రామో లోకహితాయ చ. సో ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ లోకహిత, రామ has established Rameshwaram in that Shiva there, samsthapya, established Shiva in Rameshwara, Setubandha, just before the Setubandha. Pranamet Setubandham yo društva Rameshwaram Shivam. Whoever Praha, he said like this: Pranamet Setubandham yo društva Rameshwaram Shivam Brahmatyadipapebhyo muchyate madanugrahat. By my anugraha, one will be relieved from very difficult types of sins by doing the darshana of Rameshwara. Setubandhe narasnatva društva Rameshwaram haram. Having taken bath in the Setubandha, društva Rameshwaram haram, Rameshwara hara, having seen, sankalpaniyato bhutva gatva Varanasim naraha. So having firmly resolved that I will go to Varanasi, going Varanasi, Aniya Ganga Salilam, bringing the water of Ganga, Ramesasya Abhishekya cha, doing the Abhisheka to Rameshwara, Samudre Kshiptra Tadbharo, Brahma Prapnotya Samsayam. So leaving that patra in the Samudra, Brahma Prapnoti, he will attain the Brahma, Asamsayam. So this is a Tirtha Yatra, complete Yatra, established by Rama. This tradition is established by Rama. Krutane Pradhamanahna Yojanani Chaturdasya Dvitiya Tadha Chahna Yojanani tu Vimsati. On the first day there are 14 yojanas distance of Setu has been built. Dvitiya on the second day 20. Trutiyena Tadha Chahna Yojanayan Nyeke Vimsati. So on the third day 21. Chaturdhena Chahna Dvavimsati Srutam. So on the fourth day 22 yojanas. Panchamena Trayo Vimsat Yojanani Samantataha Babandha Sagare Setum Nolo Vanarasattamaha. Nala has created this whole, Vanarasattama has created the whole of 23, 22, 21, 20 and 14 in 5 days. Tenaiva jagmuh kapayo yojananam satam dhrutam asankhyata suveladrim ruddhu plavagottamaha aruhya marutim ramo lakshmano pyangadam sada didrukshu raghavo lankan arurohachalam mahat društva lankam suvirstirnam nana chitra dhvajakulam chitra prasada sambadham swarna prakara toranam. So Lanka's description is being given. Having crossed the ocean, Rama has gone on to the shoulder of Hanuman, seen the Lanka, how Lanka is. So there is a big description of Lanka, but our focus is on the different areas. So in each of these sarga, there is an opportunity given to Ravana to turn. So every time one person will give. In this sarga, our focus will be Sukha Ravana Samvadam. So Sukha has been sent. There is a Rakshasa named Sukha. He has been sent to the other side to give a counsel to Sugriva, saying that you don't have any enmity with Ravana, so go back to Kishkinda. Then that Sukha has been caught by Vanaras. So Vanara is Tadita Samyag. So this Sukha has been released after crossing over. Sukha has been released to go back and give this message back to Ravana. So looking at Vanarais Taditas Samyag Dasyananam Upagatmataha Prahasan Ravana Praha Pididhakim Paraisukaha. So as if smiling, Prahasan with a smiling face, he said, looks like you have been Piditaha, you have been harmed or you have been hurt by the Vanaras. Ravanasya Vachasrutva Suko Vachanava Bravit. So hearing to this Vachanam, Sukha started saying, Sagarasyottare tire bravam te Vachanam yatha tada utplutya kapayo gruhitva mam kshanataraha mushtibhir nakadhandaischa hantum loptum prachakramaha tato mam rama raksheti krosantam raghupungavaha. So they started actually harming me. At that time I actually took I have said Krosantam Raghupungavaha. I have asked Rama to protect me. Visrujyamiti praha visprushtoham kapisvaraihi tato hamagato bhitva drushtva tadvanaram balam. So he said, leave him. So they have just stopped hitting me, or just stopped hurting me. So from there I have seen the bala of Vanaras. Rakshasanam bhalonagya Vanarendra Balasyacha. So he compares the Rakshasa Bala and Vanara Bala. Then he gives he gives different descriptions of Vanaras Bala. Rakshasancha Balam Pasya. So Yutyukto Sri Ramo Lakshmanaschaiva Sugrivascha Vibhishanaha Yeta Eva Samadharste Lankam Nasaitum Prabho. So my assessment he is giving, Sukha is giving his assessment to Ravana. These four people are sufficient. Sri Ramo, Lakshmanaschaiva, Sugrivascha, Vibhishanaha. So Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva, Vibhishana, these four people are sufficient to finish the Lanka. Lankam Nasaitum Prabho. Utpatya Bhasmikarane Sarve Tishtantu Vanaraha. Vadhishyati Puram Sarvam Ekas Tishtantu Vye Trayaha Pasya Vanaramevam Tamasakyakam Prapuritam Garjanti Vanarastasta. So even if those three are not there, one Rama himself is sufficient to finish off Lanka. So what he says is Vanaranam Varnaneva Sankhaneva Ka Ishwaraha Suraha Sarve Mahakayaha Sarve Yuddha Bhishakankshanah. So he talks about Dvivida, Mainda, each of Vanara Yodhas, and says they are all so powerful. But why to tell each of the Yesham Koti Sahasrani, Navapancha Saptacha, Tadha Sanka Sahasrani, Tadharbhuda Satanicha. So they have crores of people, crores of Vanaras are there. It is very difficult to assess their bala. So he is saying at this Ramo Namanusha Sugriva Sachitam. So then he says from the 40th sloka there is a counsel given by this Sukha, who is sent as a Dota to think. Now Ramo Namanushaha Sakshad Adinarayana Paraha Sita Sakshad Jagad Detu Chitshakti Jagadatmikaha. So Rama is Sakshat Ram Narayana, Sita is Chitshakti, is the Shakti Jagadatmika of this Jagatas Atma Chit. So what is consciousness in each individual? That Shakti is Tabhyameva Samutpannam Jagat Savara Jangamam. From those two only, Rama and Sita only, this whole Jagat Tavara Jangamam, Stavaras and Jangamas has been emerged. Tasmad Ramascha Sitascha Jagatastuscha Tau. So they are the people, father and mother of this whole world. Pitaro Prudhivipalaha Tayor Virai Kadam Bhavet. So for this father and mother, there is no Vairi, there is no enemy for them. Kadam Bhavet. Ajanata Tvayaniya Jaganmataiva Janaki. Unknowingly you have captured, you have abducted Jaganmata Janaki only. So Kshananasani Samsare Serire Kshanabhangure. In the second, this samsara goes away. Means whole of the world is taken away. Serire Kshanabhangure. Your body is also of Kshanabhangura. 1 second worth. Panchabhutatmike Rajan Chaturvimsati Tattvake. So 24 tattvas of Sankhya, you know that. So he is telling, you know, it is Panchabhutatmaka. It is only a mixture of 5 base element. Mala mamsasti durgandha bhuishte hankrotalaye. So it is all, filth is filled in this body. Mala mamsa asti durgandha bhuishta, of bad smell. Everything is bad in that. The moment the Chaitanya goes away, it starts rotting. So Hankrutalaya, it is only ego centered. Hankrutalaya. Kaivastha vyatiriktastya kaye tava jadatmike. It is jada. It is all body is full of inert material. Jadatmike. Yutkrute brahmatyadi patakani krutanite. Why you are doing brahmachadi patakani, all the mahapatakas you are doing by bhoga yuktatu yodoha sadehotra patichyati. So what you are trying to give bhoga to this body, that body will fall at some point in time. So punya pape samayato jivane sukhadukhayo karane dehayogadi atmanaha kuruto nisham. So by the punya and papa, different types of bodies, it will keep acquiring, it goes around in this loop. Yavad dehosmi kartasmi tyat atmaham kurute vasaha adhyasat tavadeva syad janmana syadi sambhavaha. So as long as this body, I am doing the work, this attitude is there, it keeps going in the loop. This adhyasa will remain. In this adhyasa, all these bodies keeps coming, and births and janmanas, they keep coming. Tasmatvam tvityeja deha dav abhimanam mahamate. So what I am suggesting you to give up this deha abhimanam mahamate, o great minded Ravana. Sukha is telling to Ravana, Mahamate atmati nirmalaha suddho vijnana atma chalo avyayaha. Atma ati nirmalaha is ever pure. It is beyond purity. Atma ati nirmalo suddho is pure. Nirmalaha, without touching any mala, any defect, and suddho, pure. Vijnana atmanavachanaha, it is always vijnana only. It is the knowledge alone, wisdom alone. Avyayaha, imperishable knowledge is Atma. Swajnana vasato bandham pratipadya vimuhyati. Not knowing this true nature of self, swa ajnana vasato bandham pratipadya vimuhyati. One, you get bound by yourself and you get into this delusion by this vimuhyati. Tasmatvam suddhabhavena jnatvatmanam sadasmara. That's why by pure mind, knowing self, you remember the true nature of yourself. Viratim bhaja sarvatra putra dara gruhadishu. Disillusioned by the putras, dara of sons, wives, and gruhas, houses, all these things what you have. Nirayeshvasi bhogaha swacha sukaratanapi. So you give up all these things. Deham labdhva vivekadhyam dvijatvam viseshataha. So you have got a body which is of viveka, which is discriminative power is there in you. Dvijatvam viseshataha, you have a twice born life, specially you have. Tatrapi bharate varshe karma bhumau sudarlabham. So in that also, in this bharata varsha karma bhumau, in the karma bhumi, sudurlabham, very difficult life you have got. You have come to this sudurlabham. Ko vidyanatma sat krutva deham bhoganubhav bhavet atastvam brahmano bhutva paulastya tanayastya san. So not only that, you are directly born to the paulastya sanaya, brahmano bhutva, Brahma's great grandson. Ajnaniva sada bhogan anudhavasi kim mudha. Waste, you are wasting just by going these pleasures, sense pleasures. Yatah param va tyaktva, now at least you giving up this tyaktva, tvam sarvasangam samasraya, tvam sarvasanga parityaga samasraya. Ramameva paratmanam bhakti bhavena sarvada. Take Rama as your Lord. Devoted to him. Sitam samarpya Ramaya tatpada anucharo bhava. Give back Sita to him and take refuge in his lotus feet. Ramameva parabhakti विमुक्तः सर्वपापेभ्यो विष्णुलोकं प्रयास्यसि नो चेत् गमिष्यते तोधः पुनरावृत्तिवर्जितः अंगीकुरुष्व मद्वाक्यं हितमेव वदामि ते. So if you want to agree, accept my word, this is what I am telling, my conclusion. Ramameva paratmanam. You take that, you will be vimuktah, you will be released from all. Sarvapapebhyo Vishnulokam prayasyati. Satsangati kurum, bhajasva harim, saranya sri raghavam, మరకతోపల కాంతి కాంతం సీతా సమేత మనిషం ధృత చాప బాణం సుగ్రీవ లక్ష్మణ విభీషణ సేవితాంగ్రిం. సో విత్ దిస్ he concludes, Sukha concludes his good counsel to Ravana. He ended that 4th sarga. We will quickly get into the 5th sarga. Anytime good counsel is given to Ravana, he becomes angry. That's what has happened. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Again Mahadeva started saying, Surutva Sukhamukhodgitam Vakyam Ajnananasanam. By this Sukha Mukha Udgitam, by sung by Sukha, with these slokas what we have just read, Ravanaha Krodha Tamraksho Dahanyava Tamabravit. Krodha Tamrakshaha, with red tinge coming into his eyes, Krodha Tamrakshaha Dahanyava Tamabravit, like burning. He started telling, Anujivya Sudurbuddhe Guruvad Bhashate Katham, you are living under me and you are talking like my Guru. Guruvad Bhashate Katham, Sasitaham Trijagatam Twammam Siksharna Lajjate. So I am conqueror of all three worlds. Why are you giving sasana, means you are giving teaching to me? Idanive Hanmitvam, I can kill you immediately. Kinstu Purvakrutantava. So there is Smarami Tena Rakshami Tvam Yadyasi Vadhochitam. I would kill you if I want, but maybe you have done a lot of seva to me, Purvam, whatever you have done to me, so I am not killing you. Atragacho Vimudhatvam Evam Srotum Namekshamam Mahaprasada Itvukta Vepamano Gruhamyo. He put one namaskara, Sukha put one namaskara like this, Mahaprasadam. So you have not killed me, that's fine. So he went to his home. This is what will happen if you try to give a good counsel to Ravana. So Ravana keeps getting these chances. Every time Ravana talks to somebody, Ravana tells him what you are doing is wrong, still he will not listen. So Rama killed Ravana is a wrong statement. Ravana invited his own death by his own ways, adamant ways of not bending to the good counsel. So here there is a past story of Sukha. What is Sukha? So briefly we will touch upon that. So Sukha is a Brahmana. He is a Brahmajnani also. So he did a lot of kratus, lot of yajnas against Rakshasas. So Rakshasas have become very enmity to him, and they wanted to somehow make Sukha suffer. So at one point in time, Agastya Maharshi comes to Sukha's ashrama, and in the Sukha's ashrama, Agastya Maharshi comes and goes for taking bath. At that time, one Rakshasa comes in Agastya Maharshi's form and says that, serve me meat today, Mamsa Bhojanam. I am interested in eating meat, so prepare Mamsa Bhojana. Telling this to Sukha, he will go away. Actual Agastya comes back. In the meantime, the same Rakshasa goes to the wife of Sukha in a lady form and makes her prepare Naramamsa. So all these things, very planned thing will happen. Finally, that Mamsa gets served to Agastya Maharshi. And Agastya Maharshi, looking at it, he gets angry and he says, you be a Rakshasa, you will be a Rakshasa, you will eat this kind of Mamsa because you have offered this to me. Having said that, then realizing something has happened wrong, Sukha immediately comes and tells that there is no mistake from me. You only requested me to give different kinds of meat and I asked my wife to prepare. she prepared, she brought it here, something has gone wrong. Then Agastya Maharshi sits in Samadhi for just a minute and sees what has happened. Then he says, Preshito Ravanenatvam Charo Bhutva Raghuttamam. So something, yes, this has happened for a reason. I have given you this sapa, but this sapa will not go waste. You will be a Charo Bhutva Raghuttamam. You will go and meet Raghuttama, Ravana. From Ravana, you will be sent to Rama. Tattvajnanam tato muktaha, so you will go bodhayitvacha ravanam, so you will now remember your world, all the tattvajnana, what knowledge you have. This you do the bodha to Ravana, and then you will become your Brahmana Swarupa. Babhuva rakshasa sadyo ravanam prapya samstitaha idanim chara rupena društva ramam sahanujam ravanam tattvajnanam bodhayitva punardhruvam purvavat brahmano bhutva stito vaikhanasai sahaha. So he, the Sukha, now after completing his activity in this play, in this game, in this role, playing this role properly as instructed by Agastya Maharshi, he regained back his Brahma Jnani's sthiti. So, Prahatam Rakshasam Viram Prachantena Antaratmana Srunurajan Vacho Medya Srutva Yadhepsitam. So, then in this sarga, so this is the Purva Vrittanta of Sukha. Then one day, the old Mata Maha of Vruddha Rakshasa, his name is Malyavanta. Malyavanta came to Ravana. So, then Prahatvam Rakshasam Veram Prashantanatranatran Srunrajan Vacho. Raja, O king, listen to me. Yada Pravishtanagarim Janakim Ramavallabha, as soon as you brought the Janaki, wife of Rama, Ramavallabha, Tadadi Puryam Drusyante Nimittani Dasanana. I am seeing several indications, O king. Ghorani Nasahetuni, very ghora, very difficult times are going to come. Nasahetuni, destructive in nature. Srunu, Karanitara Ghosha, I am hearing the bad cries of donkeys. Then different things again. There is a lot of such Sakuna Sastram, what and all types of things indicate something bad is going to happen. All those listing. Now he says, now you know Ramam Narayanam Vidhi, Vidvesham Tyeja Raghave. Try and understand Rama as Narayana and Vidvesham Tyeja. Give up this enmity, give up this Dvesha towards him. Yat pada potam asritya jnanindo bhavasagaram. So, Taranti Bhakti Putanas Tato Ramona Manushaha Bhajastva Bhakti Bhavena Ramam Sarva Hrudalayam. Rama stays in every heart. Sarva Hrudalayam. Rama is there along with Sita in every heart. People fail to recognize him because it is closed deep in the heart. There is a ego covering that hollow of the heart where Rama lives. Yadyapi tvam duracharo bhaktya puto bhavishyati. Once you get devotion, that devotion will purify you. Bhaktya puto bhavishyati. Madvakyam Guru Rajendra kulas kaushala hetve. It will save our kula, our whole family, all Rakshasa Vamsa. Our own Vamsa is going to be saved with this. Tattu Malyavato Vakyam Hitamuktam Dasanana. Malyavatas Vakyam, listening to this, Dasananaha. Namarshayati Dushtatma Kausalya Kalasya Vasamagataha. So taken by the time, what is running for him, he didn't take. Manavam Kropanam Ramam Ekasakham Mrugashrayam. Manavam, useless human being. Kropanam, he has nothing, no kingdom, nothing is there. Ramam Ekam Sakham Mrugam, he is covered by monkeys. Murga Asrayam Samardham Manyase Kena Henam Pitra Manipriyam. So even his father thrown him away. Ramena Preshitom Nonam Bhashate Tvamanargalam. So you seem to be instigated by Rama and talking to me like this. Gacha Vruddhopi Bandhustam Sodham Sarvam Tvayoditam. Go away from here. Your old man, go away. So young person tells, he will not listen. Old person tells, his brother only tells Vibhishana. Kumbhakarna says, Vibhishana says. All these people say that what you are doing is wrong. He will not listen. This is the nature of adamant ego of Ravana. So Ramopi Dhanurada, then he went there. Then at that time Rama took one, he sat with all his retinue, put one arrow, the Rama's arrow goes and takes away all those umbrellas and all those things which are kept to thing in one this thing, and it comes back. Lajjito Ravanastornam Vivesa Bhavanam Swakam Ahuya Rakshasan Sarvan Prahasta Pramukhan Kalaha. So again he calls his own Prahasta, his ministers, everybody. Vanarai saha yuddhaya nodamanaya sarvataha tato bheri mrokanda jai pranamana gomukhai. So let us make the war. So first step, Ravana calls all his people, prepare for this. Prekshamana Ravanasya Tyanikani Bhagasaha Raghava Premarthana Drumai Parvatagascha Mushtibhischa Plavangamaha. So these people, Vanaras, don't need any maintenance. They are no maintenance army. So they can just pull the trees, stones and start fighting. So Koti Satayuscha Durnagar Dharandrusam, there is a great war started. Nalascha, Hanuma, Angada, Nila, Nala, Bhairava, Mainda, Dvivida, Jambavan, Dadhimukhi, Kesari, Thara, Pramukha. So all these Vanara Yodhas, they charged on to Lanka Dwara. There are whole big fight starts. There is a description of fight in this. How the war is happening, how dangerous the war is, water and all are being used there. Mantriuno, Bandhava, Sura, Yecha Matpriya Kankshinaha, Sarve Gachantu Yuddhaya Tvaritam Mama Satsanat. So he says, Purvavadvaidaram Nadam, Vanaranam Lagho Mutaha. So each, there are a lot of killing is happening both sides. So he is saying, Raghavo me Mahan Satruhu, Prapto Devanirmitaha, my Maha Satru, Raghava has come here. So Mantrino, Bandhava, Suraha, whoever are there, who are called my mantras, my Bandhavas, my Suras, who are all, everybody go. Matpriya Kankshinaha, whoever wanted to please me, get into the war. This is what Ye Gachanti Yuddhaya Bhiraha Prana Viplabat Tan. So who don't go to war, I will kill them. This is the model of Ravana's motivation. Ravana is saying, if you are, want to please me, get into the war. If you don't go to the war by fear, I will kill you. So, okay, other than that, rest of this sarga is all about the war. Ramena nihita kechut sugrivena tadhavapare hanumat changadaneva lakshmanena mahatmana yudhai sarvanarancha nihata sarvarakshasaha. So all these people who are going into the war, they are being killed by either Rama or Lakshmana or Hanuman. Rama Tejas Samavisya Vanaro Balino Bhavanna Rama Sekti Vihinan Evam Sekti Kuto Bhavet. So by the Rama's Sekti entering them, every Vanara has become very powerful. Rama Sekti Samavisya Vanaro Balino Bhavan. Vanaras have become very powerful. Sarveshwaraha Sarvamayo Vidhata Maya Manushya Tvadividambanena Sada Chidanandamayo Piramo Yud Dvililam Vitanoti Mayam. So the great war has started. We reached with this Soka, even though Sarveshwaraha, Sarvamayo, he is a Lord of everything, encompassing everything, Sarvamayaha, Vidhata, he is the creator of all the things. Maya Manushya Vidambanena, by becoming a Maya Manushya, Sada Chidanandamayo Piramo, always Chidanandamaya, Rama. Yuddha Leelam Vitanoti Mayam. By his Maya, this Yuddha Leela, he started. Leela, Yuddha Leela has been started. So the sixth sarga we'll get into quickly. So in this war becomes bigger. Lakshmana will be swooned by Ravana's Indrajit's Yuddha. Then Sanjeevani need to be brought in, and there is a discussion again in this sarga. So in last two sargas, Sukha has given, and his Mata Maha, his own mother's father, came and gave one more counsel. Then the third counsel, Kalanemi. So he Maricha, there he approaches one Kalanemi. So those three bits we will see in this rest of the talk today. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Again Mahadeva starts. Surtva Yuddhe Balam Nashtam Atikaya Mukham Mahat Ravano Dukha Samtaptra Krodhena Mahatavrutaha. So because he is losing. Every leader, Atikaya is the leader, the commander-in-chief has been sent. He has been killed, defeated and killed. So Ravana Vidhayed Indrajitam Lankarakshanadram Lankalakshanardham Mahadyutihi Swayam Jagama Yuddhaya Ramena Saharakshasaha. So he said, Indrajit, protect the Lanka, I am going to the war. So he goes, Divyam Syandanamaruhya Sarvashastra Sarvashastrastra Samyutam Ramamena Abhirudrava Rakshasendro Mahabalaha. So Yutyuktva Lakshmano Bhevam Chapamadaya Viryavan Vibhishanasya Puratahastito Kampayivachalaha. So he comes, Ravana comes to the war, and from the other side Lakshmana comes to the same war. So in this war, big Shakti has been used, a huge Shakti has been put, and Lakshmana has been put into the swoon. Tadhapi Manusham Bhavam. So even though Lakshmana is Mahatma Sesha only, he fell. When he fell, the Maheshwara Rama Kadham Lokamayasram Vishnum becomes Krodha, he becomes Hanuman, calls Hanuman and says, let you go and get the Sanjeevani Mulika. Then this Yuddha is ended for that day. Sri Ramasya Vachasrutva Ravano Marutatmajam Prahastam Raghavam Sankhye Shakti Nishpidadadikam. So Tankaromi Rajendra Kimagapatam Mamapi Kalavasataha Tatho Sandeho Bhavishyati Dasananaha Hataha Putrascha Pautrascha Bandhava Rakshasascha. So he goes and saying that Ravana goes, at that stage Ravana goes to another Rakshasa known as Kalanemi. Kalanemi, Hanuman has been put on the job to bring this. Somehow Kalanemi, you go and stop Hanuman, make delay in Hanuman coming back, so that Lakshmana will be killed. Because of the delay which happens, Sanjeevani will not work. So he has gone to bring the Sanjeevani. We can't do anything. What you need to do is you deflect him, redirect him somehow, saying that Hanuman Vayuvegana Kshanatvirna Mahodidhim, he has started going. Ramena Preshitadeva, Hanuman is going. Then Grahagatam Samalokya Ravanam Vismayanvitaha Kalanemi Rovachedam Pranjalir Bhayavivahala. Afraid of Ravana, putting Pranjali to Ravana, he is telling Argyadikam Tatakrutva Ravanasyagrataha stitaha Kinte Karomi Rajendra Kimagamagana Karanakam. So why did you come to my house? Why did you Kalanemi Muvachadam Ravano Dukkapidataha Mamapi Kalavasataha Kastameta Dupastitam Maya Sektya Hato Viro Lakshmana Patito Bhuvi. My Sekti Lakshmana has been fallen. Tan Jevayuta Anedum Hanuman has started going. Mayaya Muniveshana Mohiswa Mahakapin. You take a Munivesha by your Maya, you sit somewhere and Mohaishwa, you delude him. So thus Kalatyayo Yadha Bhutas Tadha Krutyaihi Mandire. So somehow you delay him so that my work will be done. Ravanasya Vachasrutva Kalanemir Uvachatam. Ravanesa vacho medya shrunu dharaya tatvatah. I wanted to tell you something, listen to me a bit. Priyante karavanyeva na pranan dharayamyaham. I know that if I don't please you, my body, my pranas will go away. Marichasya yadharanye purabhugan, like Maricha, what happened to Maricha, same thing will happen to me also. Tathaiva nasandeho bhavishyami dasanana. Without any doubt, I will do your work. So I will do what you are saying. Hata putrascha pautrascha bandhava rakshasascha cha. But what you are trying to do, what will happen is your putra, pautra, bandhava, all your sons, grandsons, your friends and relatives, everybody will bandhava rakshasascha te. ఘాతయిత్వా సురకలం జీవితానేపి కింతవ రాజ్యేన వా సీతయా వాకిం దేహేన జడాత్మన. సో బై డిస్ట్రాయింగ్ యువర్ ఓన్ కుల, యువర్ ఓన్ వంశ, యువర్ ఓన్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్, వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ విత్ దేహేన జడాత్మన? సీతాం ప్రయచ్చ రామాయ. సో టేక్ సీత అండ్ గివ్ ఇట్ టు రామ. రాజ్యం దేహి విభీషణే, గివ్ రాజ్యం టు విభీషణ. వనం యాహి మహాబాహో రమ్యం మునిగణాశ్రయం. సో యూ గో టు వనం, విచ్ ఈస్ గుడ్. ఎట్ వన్ స్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో. స్నాత్వా ప్రాతః శుభజలే కృత్వా సంధ్యాదికా క్రియా. ఎవ్రీ డే యూ టేక్ గుడ్ బాత్ అండ్ డూ యువర్ సంధ్యావందన అండ్ కార్యక్రమ. తత ఏకాంతమాశ్రిత్య సుఖాసన పరిగ్రహ. టేక్ ఏకాంత్ర అండ్ సిట్ ఇన్ సుఖాసన. విసృజ్య సర్వతః సంగం, గివింగ్ అప్ ఆల్ దీస్ అటాచ్మెంట్స్. ఇతరాన్ విషయాన్ బహిః, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఇతరాన్ విషయాన్ బహిః, అవుట్ సైడ్ విషయాస్, అవుట్ సైడ్ థింగ్స్. బహిః ప్రవృత్తాక్షగరం శనైః ప్రత్యక్ ప్రవాయః. సో అవుట్ సైడ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యువర్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ విచ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, డ్రాగ్ ఇట్, పుల్ ఇట్ ఇన్సైడ్. ప్రత్యక్ ఇన్వర్డ్. Pravahaya. So turn it, pravahaya, let it flow inward. Your consciousness which is going, let it flow inward. Prakrutair bhinnamatmanam vicharaya sadanagha. So for this Prakriti bhinnam atmanam, what is different from this Prakriti? There is Atma. Sada vicharaya, you inquire into it, do the vicharana of that pravahaya. Prakrutair bhinnamatmanam vicharaya sadanagha. చరాచరం జగత్కృత్స్నం దేహ బుద్ధీంద్రియాదికం. చరం అచరం, వాట్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్, అన్మూవింగ్, దేహ బుద్ధి ఇంద్రియ. సో ఇన్ ద బుద్ధి విచ్ ఇస్ మూవింగ్, దేహ విచ్ ఇస్ జడ, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఇంద్రియాదికం. ఆ బ్రహ్మ స్తంభ పర్యంతం దృశ్యతే శ్రూయతే చయస్. ఫ్రమ్ బ్రహ్మ టు స్తంభ, బ్లేడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాస్. దృశ్యతే, వాట్ ఈస్ సీన్. శ్రూయతే, నాట్ సీన్, బట్ వీ విల్ లిజన్ అబౌట్ స్వర్గ, అదర్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ వరల్డ్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దే ఆర్ ఓన్లీ హర్డ్. దృశ్యతే శ్రూయతే చ తత్. సైషా ప్రకృతిరిత్యుక్త సైవ మాయేతి కీర్తిత. దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ప్రకృతి అండ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ మాయా కీర్తిత. సర్గస్థితి వినాశాం జగద్వృక్షస్య కారణం. దట్ ఈస్ ద సీడ్ ఆఫ్ సర్గస్థితి వినాశ. Bringing out emergence, maintenance and merging back. All the three is karanam, cause is that only. Lohita sveta krishnadi praja srujati sarvada. Of three qualities of rajoguna, tamoguna, satvaguna. So praja srujati sarvada. Those gunas, all these prajas, all these beings are emerging from those gunas. Kama krodhadi పుత్రాద్యాన్ హింసా తృష్ణాది కన్యకా కామక్రోధాది పృథ్వీ. సో కామక్రోధ ఆర్ ద పుత్రస్ ఆర్ బార్న్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. హింసా తృష్ణాది కన్యక, హింసా తృష్ణ ఆర్ ద డాటర్స్ బార్న్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. మోహం మోహయత్యనిసం దేవమాత్మానం స్వైర్గుణైర్ విభుం. సో విత్ దిస్ స్వగుణ విభుం కర్తృత్వ భోక్తృత్వమారభన్ స్వగుణాన్ ఆత్మమినీశ్వరే ఆరోప్య స్వవశం కృత్వా తేన క్రీడతి సర్వదా. దిస్ ప్రకృతి ప్లేస్ అరౌండ్ బై superimposing these gunas on the reality, like a superimposition on a screen what gets published. Sarvada, always place Suddhopyayatmana yuktaha pasyativa sada bahihi vismrutya cha swamatmanam maya guna vimohitaha. One who has directed his conscious outside, he get lost in this play, forgetting his own true nature. Maya guna vimohitaha vismrutya cha swamatmanam. By forgetting the own self, మాయాగుణ విమోహిత యదా సద్గురుణా యుక్తో బోధ్యతే బోధరూపిణ. దెన్ అరైవింగ్ ఎట్ సద్గురుడు సద్గురుణా బోధ్యతే బోధరూపిణ నివృత్త దృష్టిరాత్మానం పశ్యత్యేవ సదాస్ఫుటం. సో బై ద గ్రేస్ ఆఫ్ గురు, one's drishti, the vision, turned properly inward, bodhyate bodharupina, in the name of bodha, in the name of teaching, in the name of revelation, revealing the reality, revelation, bodharupina, nivrutya, turning it, drushtir atmanam, turning towards the atma, drishti, pasyatyeva sadasputam. Then he sees the atma. Jivan mukta sadadehi muchyate prakrutair gunaihi tvamapyevam sadatmanam vicharya niyatendriyaha. So you take up vicharya niyata indriyaha. By controlling indriyas, do the inquiry into the real nature of the self. Prakrute ranyam atmanam jnatva mukto bhavishyati. Prakrute ranyam atmanam jnatva प्रकृतेः अन्यम आत्मानं ज्ञात्वा मुक्तो भविष्यति. ध्यातुं यद्यत् समर्थोसि सगुणं देवमाश्रय. So what you do is Saguna Deva, you start doing meditation on the Saguna Deva along with gunas. Devam, Sagunam Devam Dhyatva, Sagunam Devam Asraya. Take refuge in a Saguna Brahma, Sagunam Devam Asraya. Start doing your dhyana. By doing this vichara, you will jnatva nirgunam, you will go there. So it is one of the wonderful teaching. So we have to cover this thing today. Hrut padma karnike swarnapithe manigananvite hruduslakšnatare tatra janakya saha samstitam. So who is this Saguna Brahma? Who is sitting in your own heart along with Janaki? Who is sitting along with Janaki? Rama. Veerasanam Visalaksham Vidyut Punjanibharanam Kirita Hara Keyura Kaustubhadir Bhi Ranvitam Nupuraihi Katakair Bhantam Tadhaiva Vanamalaya Lakshmanena Dhanurdvandva Karena Parisevitam Evam Dhyatva Sadatmanam Ramam Sarvahudistritam Bhaktya Paramaya Yukto Muchyatena samsayaha. Srunuvai charitam tasya bhaktair nityamananyadhihi evam chetkruta punyani papani cha mahasnyapi kshanadeva vinasyanti yadhagne sthularasayah yadhagne sthularasayah bhajasva ramam paripurnamekam vihaya vairam nijabhakti yuktah హృదా సదా భావిత భావరూప అనామరూపం పురుషం పురాణం. అనామరూపం పురుషం పురాణం. నామరూప వివర్జిత పురాణ పురుష భావిత భావరూప. ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ భావన he gives a great description. I will read once again. This is very close to the heart. So once you realize this in the heart, the Nirguna Swarupa comes. Hrut Padma Karnike Swarnapithe Manigananvite. On the Hrut Padma Karnika, Manigananvite Swarnapithe, on the golden Pitha, Mrudus Lakshnatare Tatra Janakya Saha Samstitam. Along with Janaki, he is established. Veerasanam, he is putting a Veerasana. One leg on the top, one leg is visible for the sake of people to come. Visalaksham, having great eyes. Vidyut Punja Nibhambaram, like a Vidyut Punja, like a lightning, the light of a lightning, very bright lightning. Kirita Hara Keyura Kaustubhadir Bhiranvitam. Kirita, Haras in the neck, Keyuras on the hands. So different types of ornaments, Abhiranvitam. Nupurai Katakair Bhasham. On the legs also, Nupurai Katakait Bhantam Tadheva Vanamalaya. Wearing a Vanamala as such, Vanamalaya. లక్ష్మణేన ధనుర్ద్వంద్వకరేణ పరిసేవితం. లక్ష్మణేన ధనుః ద్వంద్వకరేణ పరిసేవితం. వన్ హూ ఇస్ Lakshmana is doing seva, who is holding a dhanas, and Rama is holding a dhanas. Parisevitam. Evam dhyatva sadatmanam Ramam sarvahrudistitam. In this way you do the dhyana of Saguna Brahma. Sarvahrudistitam. He is sitting in every heart. Sarvahrudistitam. Bhaktya paramaya yukto muchyate natra samsayah. There is no doubt you will be freed. So how you have to do? Give up all these things, go to outside, keep doing this thing, you do. Srunuvai charitam tasya. Keep listening to his charita. Bhaktir nityam ananyadhi. Without having any other thought in your mind other than bhakti, you keep listening to his stories. Charitam, his history. They are not called stories, there are narrations of Rama. Narrations you listen. ఏవం చేత్కృత పుణ్యాని పాపాని చ మహాన్యపి. ఏవం చేత్కృత పుణ్యాని పాపాని చ. ఆల్ యువర్ పుణ్యాస్, ఆల్ యువర్ పాపాస్ మహాన్యపి, గ్రేట్ పాపాస్ ఆల్సో క్షణాదేవ వినశ్యంతి. క్షణాదేవ వినశ్యంతి యథాగ్నే తూల సంశయ. సో వెన్ యూ పుట్ ఫైర్ ఆన్ టు ద తూల, లాట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాస్, డ్రైడ్ గ్రాస్, తూల ఆర్ like something which is ready to burn, the fuel ready to burn, grass which is dried, ready to burn, thola rasayah. Put a little bit of fire, the whole thing will be burnt. With bhajasva ramam paripurnamekam vihaya vairam nijabhakti yuktaha hruda sada bhavita bhavarupaha anamarupam purusham puranam. Who is telling this? Kalanemi. Who to whom? Ravana. Why Ravana approached Kalanemi? To deflect Hanuman from bringing Sanjeevani. So that is where we end the 6th Sarga. With this, by the grace of God and Guru, on this eve of Jyeshta Amavasya, tomorrow with a solar eclipse, 3 hours long solar eclipse, one can do a lot of dhyana, attain the samadhi. Such a period, we come to the end of 6th Sarga as we did the Sankalpa in the beginning. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisyaha go brahmanebhya subhamastu nityam lokas samastas sukhino bhavanti. Swasti.